I had such a fun year making videos, and I wanted to make a video highlighting the absolute best clips from my YouTube channel from 2019. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the best of the internet from the past year. This man, for unknown reasons, really wanted to shake hands with someone in the back of the plane.
I'm gonna shake your hand. I'm gonna shake your hand. Shake your hand. I'm gonna shake your hand. I want to shake his 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 hand. That's all I want to do. All I want to do.
He's coming up right here, dude.
Here he comes.
Did you get it?
This elephant was kind enough to pick up some trash that fell on the ground.
Hey, can I get one? Thank you.
This is a female blanket octopus that was found in the Philippines. The easy way to know that this is a female is because the females are usually over 6 feet long and the males are typically the size of a walnut. The female uses her giant blanket of skin to scare away any potential predators. This cat just smacked itself in its face with its tail. These guys were on a motorcycle when a tiger started chasing after them.
Alright, look at that. Hey, woo.
This person likes to make cake disguised as everyday items. An Uber driver gave this restaurant worker a lift to work. On the way over, the worker told the driver about her financial struggles. A few hours later, the Uber driver surprised her with gifts to help her out.
Diane, so this morning I gave you an Uber ride to work?
Oh, yes.
And we had a conversation earlier?
Yes.
Okay, so I bought you a dress.
Oh my God.
Here's the dress.
Oh, thank you.
And then here's a $50 Visa gift card. So you can take that and get your house shoes and your robe when it's time, okay?
Thank you so much.
Come. You want to touch this.
The air vent in this person's car jumps to hyperspeed at the lightest touch.
here. Come here.
This person went for a walk with their duck, and the duck was wearing shoes. This person was born with a really long thumb.
Я обещала показывать вам милых пациентов. Хоба, посмотрите на эту мордаху.
This frog didn't want to eat this bug, so it spit it out and slapped it. These people were driving on a road in Russia when a helicopter started flying right over them. The Tour de France is probably the most famous bike race in the world, so this guy rode his bike over the contestants and got away with it. This helicopter pilot has some incredible aim. This duck went for the ride of its life.
Oh! Is he okay? He's right there.
This hedgehog was born without any quills whatsoever, so it's just kind of squishy.
Tighten up. Oh, tighten up again. Right tight. You're so fat.
What you're looking at right now is a caterpillar with transparent skin. Those white lines you see is a caterpillar breathing through its respiratory system. A dust devil appeared and started shaking this one random palm tree.
Look at that palm tree.
This person stepped outside their home in Norway and found some mysterious lights floating in the sky. It turns out that these lights were rockets launched by NASA to study solar winds. This dog is being trained to run over to her owner and then sit right down, but she wanted to add a little something extra. Scientists are not entirely sure what this bird is doing, but they believe the bird is searching for soft spots in the ground where worms could be hiding. This cat was chasing this mouse when it totally lost track of it. This dog gets really excited whenever it hears someone say popcorn.
Popcorn.
Did you discuss any of this with Rita?
No, but I will if you don't do the right thing. If you truly care about this family like you're saying, you will let my daughter and those sweet children.
This person dressed up as an astronaut to show how strange and exotic Earth really is. This diver was swimming around when he accidentally created his own force field made of fish. This person went scuba diving in the United Kingdom when a seal came right up and stuck to him like glue. I really hope you enjoyed the video. There were so many great clips that unfortunately didn't make the cut. I really appreciate all the love and support that my subscribers have brought to this channel over the past year. And I just really want this channel to be a fun place where everyone can just enjoy watching amazing and funny videos together. So that's about it. I love all your support. Hopefully I put a smile on your face, and I hope to see you next time. So yeah, later.